to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a really successful thrift haul. So if you've seen my videos before, you'll know that thrifting is what we do around here. I only buy secondhand clothes to an extent. I'd say like 95% of my new wardrobe is thrifted, and I live in Essex in the UK, so they're the kind of charity shops that I go in. I believe these are a combination, but I have a feeling most of them are Basildon. I'll try and remember where things are from as I'm going along. You'll get prices, you'll get the shop, the original brand, you'll get a try on clip, you get everything here. We're very generous. So without further ado, let's get into this thrift haul. So of course, when I go thrifting, I take my trusty tote bags. I actually take a tote bag filled with about 10 tote bags, and not because I think I'll ever use 10, it's just I like certain ones for different things. So this is like my favourite outer charity shop bag. I got this from my sister's wildlife photographer of the year event that she runs in the Natural History Museum, and I've also got a brown one that's really funky that I do, if I'm wearing a brown outfit, I'll put that on instead. And I don't know why I told you this, but I thought I'd let you know how I carry my charity shop goodies. They do sometimes have bags that they will offer you. Quite often they are just kind of bag for lives and things like that, but I like to always bring my own. So I'm trying to kind of pull in and see what we find. So the first thing is this pair of leggings. Now these were from Scope in Basildon. I don't know the original brand. In fact, I can't actually see any markings of an original brand, but these were in a size large and were £4.50. And as you guys know, I've joined the gym again. If you want to kind of hear more about that, then check out my body confidence update video that went up a couple of weeks ago. I'm not going super regularly. In fact, when I'm filming this, I know I'm probably not going to get to the gym for about 2 weeks because I'm away and life is just hectic at the moment. However, I'm going to try and go before I go away. Anyway, I picked up these pink leggings. I'm not gonna lie, I tried on, they had them in blue, and I tried on the blue, I haven't tried on the pink, but they're the exact same, so I'm hoping they fit nice. In fact, they kind of blend into the dress I'm wearing at the moment. I'm not really fussy on my gym leggings, to be honest, and I've just found that all of the gym clothes I have, none of them make me feel super confident, so I'm kind of on the hunt for new gym stuff. However, shopping secondhand, there's very, very few gym clothes in charity shops. I think people just assume that other people won't want to buy them. Well, I do want to buy them, so if you've got any, feel free to donate. And also, I feel like gym clothes are the sort of things that you sometimes need to try on, and a lot of the charity shops don't have changing rooms you can go in at the moment, and boot sales and things like that, again, don't have changing rooms. But anyway, I picked up these. Here are the pink leggings. These fit just as nice as the blue ones did. I love them. They're a little bit see-through, but I am wearing black spotty knickers, so putting them to the test probably as much as they ever will be. I really like these. They're really flattering. They go up nice and high-waisted. I feel like they skim over my stomach nicely. Yeah, I love these. They're flattering. I can move in them. And yeah, they're kind of like not a typical gym material. They're kind of a gym material mixed with a jersey. But they feel really comfortable, and yeah, I really, really like these. And watch out for the next video where you'll see this sports bra, I think. So yeah, love them. Okay, so the next item is just them pink leggings in blue. These are actually inside out when I tried them on. Again, these were a size large, £4.50 from Scope. And they are just this blue colour. I really like this. It's not like a strong, it's like a really dusky blue is my only way of describing it. I feel like this will go nice with like a nice white gym top. Yeah, I really like these, and they fit really lovely. They're nice and high-waisted, and I've got this nice thick waistband, which I really like, kind of snatch you in. I find that if I feel confident in the gym, I'm more likely to put in a harder workout and just be focusing on the gym rather than feeling a bit self-conscious. So that's always a good thing. So I picked up these for £4.50, and I really like the colour of these. I think I like these colour better than the pink, but I haven't tried on the pink, so maybe once it's on me I'll love it. But I love this blue colour, it's super pretty, and £4.50 for a pair of gym leggings, like, you can't go wrong. So here are the blue leggings. I've actually on with just a sports bra so you can see what it looks like, but yes, I love these. They're super comfortable, they're super cozy. I feel like I could chill in these after the gym, or before the gym, probably better. But yeah, I really, really like them. I love the colour. There's something really unusual about this colour that I really enjoy. I feel like it makes me a proper hourglass, and yeah, I'm feeling myself in these leggings a lot, which is exactly what I wanted, because I feel like when I'm not feeling myself, I don't do my best work in the gym, so really happy with these. So the next thing was from British Heart Foundation in Basildon. It was £4.49. It's originally from New Look, and it's in a size 18. So I have seen this skirt in this British Heart Foundation, I'd say for the last 3/4 trips. I haven't picked up, mainly because I was always by myself and I wanted someone else to verify that the size might fit the way I want it. I find I'm really quite good with knowing the sizes of clothes in general. There's some things I'm like, I just want someone else to be there to be like, yes, that'll fit nice. Just like a second opinion. And obviously when there's no changing rooms, I need that a bit more. I feel like the only ones in Basden that have changing rooms that are open at the moment is Scope, which I really hope they bring that back, because I think a lot of us who are shopping secondhand want to be non-wasteful, and a lot of the changing rooms aren't open, and I feel like then you're so much more likely to keep clothes in your wardrobe that don't fit you 100%. Whereas if I try on things in the changing rooms and they don't fit, I just don't buy them. And I find I'm buying so much less in the shops that I can try on, and it saved me loads of money. It's saving me having things in my kind of wardrobe that I don't wear, and it just seems so much more sensible. But anyway, this orange skirt is absolutely gorgeous. As I said, it's in a size 18, so I was fearing it would be a little bit baggy, because I would want this to fit like a nice skin tight kind of mid-axy style skirt. It's this gorgeous bright orange colour, which I'm sure is making the camera go super funky. But I thought this with like just a plain black bodysuit during summer would be so gorgeous. I love kind of a maxi silhouette on my body. I like it figure hugging. It's one of them things I love and I feel really confident in. I do find that whenever I get try on clips in these things, I do find myself when I'm looking back at the footage thinking, you can really see my stomach, and it's something I'm really trying to get over, because yeah, of course you can see my stomach. I have one. Most people do, and it's so normal to not have a flat stomach 24/7. In fact, it's so normal to never have a flat stomach, and that's absolutely fine. So I feel like this skirt potentially might highlight the stomach a little bit, but you know what? We are living, and that's why our stomach is there. Anyway, I thought this was really cute. I loved the colour of this and thought this is a super fun pop of colour for summer. I always find maxi skirts, maxi dresses are really convenient for the times when it's not super hot, but equally can transition into that really hot weather really nicely. Obviously, I'll whack on some chub rub shorts underneath this just to make sure my thighs aren't literally sticking together, but I thought this was really cute. So here is the orange skirt. I love this so much. I popped it on with just a black bodysuit, which is what I'd wear this with anyway. I feel like where the orange is so bright, you need something a little bit to tone it down, or at least I do. I think with some gold jewellery. Oh my gosh. The length of this is perfect. It literally comes like just above my feet. And it's really flattering on the bum. Again, obviously, I have to sort out the VPL situation, but I am wearing my period pants, so they're a bit thicker than a regular underwear. But oh my gosh, I love this. It's so flattering. I feel like it hugs me in all the right places, but where it is at size 18, it's not like super tight and restrictive. I can walk in this very easily. It has got a back split, which I'm not quite sure if you can see or not, but it has got a split down the backs of the legs, so it makes it a little bit easier to walk. But I love this. This is exactly what I mean by kind of that mid-axy, midi style I'm loving at the moment in terms of flattering my body. I feel like most confident in this. I feel like super sassy, and I just love it. And it's nice and comfortable too, so bonus points. Then, from Cancer Research for £2, this is originally from Shein. I know we don't like Shein here, but I'm okay to shop it secondhand. It's this gorgeous kind of top. Now let me tie it so you can kind of see, although I think it's going to be one of them tops you probably can't tell what it's like until it's on. So basically it's this mustard yellow, kind of a golden mustard I suppose, little satiny top. This will look so gorgeous with a pair of black jeans, and then basically the ties that you tie it with can tie around your waist. I suppose you probably could do other things with them as well, but when I tried it on I kind of twisted it around my waist, as you'll see in the try on clip. But the colour of this is gorgeous. This with a tan, oh my gosh, I think will look gorgeous. I think this colour anyway would look better with a darker skin tone. I feel like when I've got a little bit of a tan, it works nice too. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is in a size 1XL from Shein. I know their sizes are a bit haywire and probably not good for bigger size bodies, but I thought this was super cute, and I picked this up for only £2 in Cancer Research. A little bit like a wrapped present in this, but I kind of mean that in the best way possible. I think this is really cute, and I feel like you could probably tie it looser so you have more cleavage on show, or tighter so you are kind of more reserved. Yeah, this is super cute. I feel like when I tried it on the other day it looked different, but I think it's because I didn't know there was actually like a little hole you're meant to put the ribbon through, and last time I just kind of tied it out with that, so I'm actually going to show you what it looks like that, because I think I might prefer it. So yeah, last time I didn't put it through that hole, I just kind of tied it like that. I don't know if that looks any different, or if it's just I tied it differently the other way, But yeah, this is really cute. I think it's really nice with black jeans. I feel like you can dress, well, it's really dressy and nice and don't really have to worry about it. It's one of the outfits I can just put on and know it will look nice, especially with black jeans with kind of the gold buckle, like the gold button detail. But this is really cute. This is a really nice, just going for drinks with girls outfit, and who doesn't need lots of them? And then from Haven's Hospice in Basildon, I did get this with a gifted charity shop gift card. I've still got a little bit of money on that. If you saw my haul the other day, you will know the other pieces I brought. I've still got a little bit of money on it. So for that, I got this £2 boohoo dress. Let me put it the right way out, and it's basically just this red maxi length kind of jersey material dress. I don't think this would have been very expensive from Boohoo. I'm thinking £4, like it's quite cheaply made and relatively thin, but I absolutely love this. Now it is quite long, but it's actually fine. I feel like with a maxi dress anyway like this, I'd probably kind of ruche it up in the stomach a little bit anyway, and to be fair, it's absolutely fine. But I love red, and I'm trying to wear it more because every time I wear it I get so many compliments, and I feel like red with my hair colour, just something about that works, and I really like it. So again, I've been gravitating towards more maxi dresses, and I'm prepared that is going to be my summer uniform, and I'm really excited for that. And I thought these sort of things are great because I find you can really, really easily dress them up and dress them down. They're actually the same with the orange skirt. I find it's something that, because it's a maxi dress, automatically looks slightly dressier, but equally I could chuck on a denim jacket with this and have a really, really casual outfit. Just chuck on some sandals, and I feel like this is a perfect kind of versatile piece. It can go from day to night, which is definitely a piece I'm trying to get in my wardrobe. I want staples like this I can wear year on, year out. In fact, all of my maxi dresses I have on maxi skirts are absolute staples for me in the summer. I know there's something I wear literally every year. And also I find with this material, kind of the stretchy jersey material, it grows and shrinks with me, which is really, really nice. This is in a size 14. You guys know I normally go for a 16, but this is absolutely fine. In fact, I've got dresses from fast fashion brands that are maxi dresses that are literally a size 10, size 12, and they still fit me now. And I find that as long as it's this kind of stretchy jersey material, it may be slightly more see-through as you get bigger, but this absolutely works year on, year out, and that's why I love it. Is the red dress. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. It is slightly long, but actually it's fine. Like, it hits my feet as I'm walking, I can feel it, but not in a bad way. I think with actually just some sandals, it will bring it up enough. I think this is really, really flattering. I love the colour. I hope you guys can tell in what I mean. This will go from day to night quite easily. It's just really flattering. I like a skin tight dress. I always have done. I find no matter what weight I am, I actually feel really confident in them, and yeah, I love it. Finally, from Cancer Research, for £2 in a size 18, originally from BHS. This is in the Basildon Cancer Research where everything's £3 and under. I got this gorgeous nightie. Again, this is a piece I'd seen a couple of weeks before and didn't get, just because I have got quite a few satin nighties, but oh my gosh, I literally wear these every night. I find that I get really hot, and especially after the gym or after like making dinner and whatever, I want to be in something comfortable. Also, if I'm like FaceTiming people, which I know this is quite a rogue thing to think, but I want to wear like nice pajamas, and I find these are really nice. I was just extending the straps because best believe they would not fit on me right like that. I just love the colour of this. It has got this kind of different material up the top just to create some kind of dimension, and then it's this gorgeous satin material. These are great for holidays, if you're going away somewhere warm. It's great if for just chilling around the house. I love it. I just think these are so classic, timeless, gorgeous, and this colour, it's like a Cinderella blue, and maybe it's a little bit purple. You know what I mean? I love this. I think this looks really, really cute. And yeah, I'm not brave enough to wear these out, as I've discussed in previous videos. In fact, I've bought so many satin nighties I'm determined to wear out, and I end up just selling them because I don't wear them out. And yeah, this one is not to be worn out. It's to be worn in the house, and I just love it. It's so gorgeous, and let's hope it fits nice. Here's the satin nightie. There's not too much to say about it. It's a satin nightie, but I really, really like it. The colour's gorgeous. This one's actually, I find it, I always have to size up in these, just because size 18 just kind of flows a little bit nicer and is less restrictive. Also, if you're feeling a little bit insecure, even just around the house, you can pop on some little cycling shorts, and to be fair, as long as they're short enough, they'll be absolutely fine with this, and yeah, I really like it. So that's everything I picked up from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!